Welcome to CoinFlux Update Channel. Imagine turning your phone into a money-making machine using crypto in 2026. But here's the truth. Most beginners lose money because they don't know where to start. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to start crypto trading in the United States. The smart and safe way. Crypto trading is one of the fastest-growing ways to build wealth online. And in 2026, it's bigger than ever before. But remember, with high rewards comes high risk. That's why understanding the basics is your first step. Cryptocurrency is digital money. Bitcoin is the most popular, and other coins like ethereum are called alt. All of this runs on something called blockchain, a secure digital system that records transactions. Now, let's move to step 2. You need to choose a trusted crypto exchange in the US, like Coinbase or Kraken. These platforms are beginner-friendly and follow proper regulations. Always choose security over hype. Next, create your account. You'll need to verify your identity. This is called K. It's completely normal and keeps the platform safe. Also, turn on two-factor authentication to protect your account from hackers. Once your account is ready, deposit your funds. You can use a bank transfer or debit card. And here's a pro tip. Always start small. Now comes the exciting part. Trading! The basic rule is simple. Buy low and sell high. Start with spot trading. And don't jump into advanced strategies too quickly. But listen carefully. Trading is not always profit. Some days you win, and some days you lose. That's completely normal. The key is to control your emotions and stay consistent. This brings us to the most important part, risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use stop loss to protect your money. And always diversify your investments to improve your trading. Use tools like TradingView and CoinMarketCap. These platforms help you analyze the market and make better decisions. And here's a final pro tip. Never follow hype. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Smart traders stay patient and think long term. So if you're serious about starting crypto trading in 2026, start slow, stay smart, and keep learning every day. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment crypto below. And tell me, are you ready to start your crypto journey?